it's Callie, and we're back with another video. And I am here with Timmy. And today we will be doing Guess That Animal Sound Challenge. And how this works is that we are going to be putting our hands behind our backs, and our mother's going to be playing an animal sound. And we have to try to tap the buzzer, and whoever taps the buzzer first will get to answer what the animal sound is. And if you lose this challenge, we will be doing a mini smoothie challenge. And whoever loses has to pick four papers from the bowl, and those 4 items will have to be going in a smoothie, and the loser has to drink the smoothie. So, let's get on with the video. First,
hey, are you ready?
Yes.
Callie.
Duck.
Correct. Ready? Timmy.
Huh?
I'll play it again.
Can't hear it.
Callie.
Ellen!
No, neither one of you get that one. It was a whale.
What? That's not the type of whale.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Hands behind your back. Callie.
Cat?
Correct.
What? What is that type of cat?
It sounded just like me.
Okay, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Timmy.
It's raining tacos?
Wrong. Callie, do you want to guess?
Wait, do it again? A bird. A demented bird.
It was a parrot, an African gray parrot.
What?
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes.
Timmy.
Duck?
No. Callie, do you want to guess?
Again? Play it again? Oh. Monkey. Gorilla.
It was a gorilla, you're correct. So
She gets 2.
2 for Callie, 0 for Timmy. You ready for the next one?
Yo. Totally.
Callie.
Monkey.
No.
What?
Timmy, let me play it again.
Oh, I know it.
What's your guess?
I don't know any birds, but is it a type of bird? I know it. I know it's a type of bird, but I don't know what it is.
Gotta make a guess.
I don't know any birds.
You can't, you already lost
Is it a birdie?
Just name any type of bird. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Seagull!
No, it was a chicken.
Disappointed.
Do I still get it right?
No, you don't get it right.
Huh.
Still 2-0. All right, you ready for this one? Callie.
Cow.
Correct.
I was gonna say a donkey. Wait, what happened to the cow? No, Timmy, don't! Oh, buzz. Technical difficulty.
All right. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Here's your next one. Timmy. Nope, let me play it again. Listen.
Dog?
Correct.
What?
It is now 3-1.
Like, you're winning bad.
All right, you ready for the next one?
Yes. Horsey!
Correct, Callie.
See, I forgot to wait till you said my name.
Okay. Timmy, don't hit the buzzer unless you're about to answer. Are you ready? Timmy.
Oh, never mind.
You want me to play it again?
Yeah, I can't. Bear?
No. Callie?
Lion.
Correct. All right, next one. Callie.
Pig.
Correct. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Callie.
Owl.
Correct.
What?
Timmy.
Oh no! I'm there.
No, not me.
No. Callie.
Tiger.
Correct.
What the?
All right, you ready for the next one? Timmy.
Monkeys?
No. Callie.
Chickens?
No, it was a turkey.
Oh.
Ready? Let's hear it again.
What's the? They're like going. That's like Callie's sound.
You ready? Callie.
Baba sheepy.
Correct. All right, ready? Timmy.
What? Monkeys?
No. Callie.
Seagull?
No. It was a falcon.
What's a falcon? Oh. Okay, never mind.
Callie.
Bee.
Correct.
Timmy, you keep getting off the app.
Poor Timmy. Okay, ready? Timmy.
Bears?
No.
Bear.
Hey, still not me.
Wait, play it again. What's that?
Callie?
Panther?
No.
Ah, she thinks I sound like a panther.
It's an alligator.
A what? What?
Ready?
Oh.
Timmy.
Um.
Do you want to hear it again?
Squirrel? Chipmunk.
No. Timmy, one more bet. No, one more guess.
What? Bird? Hamster.
No, it was a bat.
Oh. Oh. Wow. Why can't I get anything? Right.
All right, ready? Callie.
Birdie.
No. Timmy, listen.
Hmm?
Do you have a guess? It was a guinea pig.
What the heck is that noise? And by
All right,
back
two more. But
to me.
obviously, Callie is winning right now, so it doesn't really matter if he puts his hands behind his back.
Yes.
Ready?
No, we got off the air. But.
Callie.
Wait, which line is that? Zero.
No.
It's not a seagull.
Timmy.
Penguin?
Correct, Timmy. Good job.
Wow, Mom, I feel so.
All right, ready? One more. All right, whoever gets this right wins the whole challenge.
What?
That's right. Are you ready?
No.
Timmy.
Seagull?
No. Callie.
Bunny?
Correct. Callie wins.
Yes!
Timmy, you know what this means, right?
Callie loses?
This means you must pick 4 ingredients. Callie, get the bowl.
The whole thing. Pick 4 items or 4 papers. 1. Nope, don't. Leave it a surprise. Open the other one. Or 2, 3, 4. I hope you get barbecue sauce. Okay.
All right, Timmy.
Honey.
All right, honey.
Lemon.
Callie, do you want to get the blender?
I will gladly. Lemon juice. Blah. Just get chocolate. A drop. What? 1 drop of hot sauce.
Oh, come on, my worst enemy.
And caramel.
My worst
Where's the
enemy.
hot sauce? Buffalo?
My worst enemies.
Just a drop, it says. All right,
Sadly.
Callie, put in the ingredients.
Not a lot. That good.
Good.
Don't put a lot.
Caramel. I want to put the whole thing in.
No. Heat burst. Wait, is it hot sauce?
Buffalo wing sauce.
That's not too bad.
Medium. Good.
Too much.
That was way too much. It smells horrible. Ew. Some honey. Oh, it comes out of there.
Is that good?
Come out.
Good.
Good. No?
Okay, that's good.
Yes, that's all. That's
And just a little bit of lemon juice.
Oh, it's not a very big smoothie. So.
Okay, that's good. That's good, Callie. Okay, now add a little bit of milk in there.
Oh.
Oh, milk? Yeah, I like milk. Only good ingredient is the milk.
You don't want caramel?
Caramel.
Good.
Okay.
No.
How does it smell?
Horrible.
Nope. I don't like it.
It's gonna be delicious, Timmy. Are you so excited? All right.
Totally.
Go ahead, Callie. Go blend it up.
Okay, I don't know if it's on. I don't know how to use a blender.
What's wrong?
Is that
Are you ready, Timmy?
good? Nope.
Do you need a straw?
Probably nothing.
Should we put it in a glass?
Nope. Do you want a glass, Timmy? You're gonna drink it right from there.
Just taste it.
You want a
The
straw?
top
It'd be
just
easier.
flips open right there. Yeah, just push that back. Make sure the cover's on good. All right, you just have to take a sip. You chug that down. All right, there he is taking a sip. All the way back, buddy, all the way back. How does it taste? Oh, gross.
Tastes disgusting.
Okay, guys,
Ow.
that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed Timmy drinking barbecue sauce, caramel, honey, and lemon. So, please make sure you go like and subscribe to our video. And
That's
see you
it.
guys next time. Bye!